Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the 4-port USB and warm gray. Okay, so as you can see on the front here, it has 4 USB type A's and 2 13 amp sockets on the front. So it's basically like getting 6 products in one. Alright, let's grab our scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, so inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product here. Okay, we'll give you a quick little 360 view here. Okay. And then let's take the plate off for installation. Nice and easy with your fingers, grab at the edges, push forward with your palm, repeat the process on the other side, and it'll pop off nice and easy just like that. Okay, so on the front here, you'll notice that you have your 2 screw holes here. That's where you're going to fit it to your pattress box. Okay, let's flip it on over to the other side. At the top here, you'll notice that it's BS and CE certified. You'll also need to do a bridging system here, which is very common in Europe, so that you can get the full power to the USBs. Okay, let's flip it on over to the side here. Okay, you'll notice that you'll need at least a 47mm depth pattress box, so you have enough room to fit your USBs and have your wires in there as well. Okay. The cool thing about these guys is, let's say you had a painter come in and they've remodeled your house and now the old color doesn't match anymore. Not a problem, you can just pop on a new faceplate just like that and you're good to go. All right, let's take this one off and we'll get the original back on. Okay, and then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet. Okay, on the one side, you'll have a whole bunch of social media areas, which you can head on over to there and give us a like or a follow. We would greatly appreciate it. Okay, on the other side is multiple ways that you can contact us via phone number, email, or live messenger. And in the bottom right-hand corner is a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you to our instructional page. It'll give you a whole bunch of tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay, finally, let's take a quick look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, on the bottom here is our SKU code. Okay, the ART-SKT213USBWG for warm gray. Okay, we have our barcode here, and in the top left is another QR code. If you scan that one, it'll take you directly to our Trendi Switch website, and you can see our full range of product there. Okay, flipping it on over, you'll notice in the bottom right-hand corner here, it's the recycling symbol. So you know that this packaging is completely recyclable. Okay, if you like videos like that, we try to upload one a day, so please subscribe and make sure that bell notification is turned on to stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below with what you'd like us to do next. All right, have a trendy day.